Hi and welcome to episode number 638 with whatsforchild.com. It has been some time since we did the unboxing of the Mad Millie range of do-it-yourself cheese, yogurt and chocolate kits. And today we're going to use the Icelandic Skyr kit to make a batch of this delicious soft cheese. Technically it is recognized as a cheese, but practically it is more akin to yogurt, but with the same nutritional value of a soft cheese. You can make it thick and creamy by using 2% low-fat milk or full cream milk. Let's do a quick recap of what's in the box. A full color instruction booklet, a 1 litre glass jar. The other ingredients and equipment are packed inside the jar. This includes a dairy thermometer with a protective sleeve, the yogurt culture, a large piece of muslin cloth, and a blister pack of rennet tablets. To make a 1 litre batch of Skyr, you will need a sachet of yogurt culture and a half tablet of rennet. You also need to supply a litre of full cream or low-fat milk. To start, dissolve the half tablet of rennet in 30 ml of non-chlorinated water. Pour your milk into the glass jar and heat it in your microwave oven until it reaches 40 Celsius or 105 Fahrenheit. It is best to do this in short bursts, stirring and checking the temperature after each microwave cycle. Once you have reached the desired temperature, add the culture, give it a stir, then add the rennet, making sure to stir the rennet again before adding it to the milk. Give it all one final stir to make sure everything is well distributed. Put the lid on the jar and let this stand overnight in a warm place. If you're in the middle of winter, wrap the jar in a towel or place it near the heat exchanger of your refrigerator. The following day, this is what you'll have: a smooth, creamy yogurt. Place a colander over a bowl and line it with a double layer of muslin cloth. Pour the Skyr into the muslin and let this drain for anything from 2 to 6 hours, depending on the consistency you want. The longer you drain the cheese, the thicker it will get. I'm going to unwrap my batch at the exact halfway time of 4 hours. You'll notice that the Skyr cheese is softer than normal store-bought cream cheese, however much firmer than yogurt. Transfer your cheese to a food-safe container and put the lid on, or wrap the container with cling wrap. The Skyr will last for around 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Your yield should be around 250 to 300 grams depending on your draining time. Check out the link in the description to get your Mad Millie cheese, yogurt and chocolate kits from Brewcraft South Africa, their website brewcraft.co.za. That's all for today, folks. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again real soon.